everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ilona and today's challenge will be, or this week's challenge rather, will be drawing the different angles of the head. And this was personally a bit tricky for me because that's why I'm doing the challenges in the first place, to improve my art skill. And I always had trouble with this, like drawing a portrait. Just front view is not that hard when you know where the nose and the eyes need to go. But when the face changes its angle, then I'm totally lost where the ear is and stuff. So my intention for this week was drawing a lot of these simple drawings of different angles of the face. So you can see right now that I'm doing a bunch of these, and I really recommend it. That is just in your fingers and you really see what you need to see. I'll also put a little present in the description. It is all the references I used, like pictures and other people's drawings, just to practice this during the whole week. And I'll also explain to you the most frequent things to look at when you're doing these simple drawings. And you always start off with a circle, then a smaller circle for the ear, and a cross in it to know where the ear is coming, and then you already have a direction of how the face is gonna look, or better said, what angle the head is gonna turn. So this is a really good method, and I studied it from a lot of different artists. I just start with these simple things like the circle, the smaller circle, the cross in it to know where the ear is, and from the ear your cheekbone starts, and you have a direction of the angle the head is looking. I don't go into extreme details of how to draw a nose in this direction or how to draw eyes in this direction. I will do that in another video, or in separate videos where I explain how to draw an eye in 3/4 or something. This is just really to get a feeling of space, really to know that your head is a 3D and not a 2D, and that is very important when you're drawing. Also, when you're shadowing, you should know that your head is a 3D because it makes shadowing way easier. Now I'll explain just some simple things. When we draw the head in front view, we start off with the circle, just like we do when we draw in another angle. And I zoomed in on this part so you could see that this vertical line here is the middle of a front view line. I tried to put them next to each other just so you could see where it all goes. And I also made these little steps again, first draw a circle, second draw a smaller circle to indicate the side of the head, third draw the cross so you know where to put your ear, and when you know your ear, you know where the cheekbone goes, you can make a direction for your front view, and then you just have to practice a lot. So that's it for this week. I like to keep these videos short so that you don't waste your time on watching and you just can commence with drawing. I hope you also enjoyed a little present from my Pinterest page, where you can just draw from my references and do a lot of studies, so you also have it in your hand. And I would really like to see your final results, so you can always text me on Instagram and show me what you made. It would be really interesting to see that you improved with me. And I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh yes, you can subscribe if you liked it.